Hey guys, how's everyone doing today? So I want to bring you guys some new information that just came out that Honda released just a couple days ago. And this is important if you're looking to buy a new Honda or Acura product. It can be good, it can be bad. See what you guys think. So let me go ahead and share the new details with you. So I'm sure if you've been looking at buying a Honda or Acura product, I'm sure you've noticed the prices have gone up a lot. I've been looking at the new ones, not to buy one, just kind of curious what they cost. The ones like my TLX here. And I just can't believe how the price of them now. You know, the new refresh, they've gone up over $1,000. You know, the interest rates are extremely high right now. And then if you're looking to lease one, the lease deals are nothing like they used to be. I remember a few years ago, you could lease a Honda Accord Sport for $200 a month with minimal down. Those days are over. Now those same vehicles will be pushing $400 just for a more entry-level vehicle. These TLXs with minimal money down, you're looking at payments over $500-$600 a month. Here's a few examples right now of what Acura is offering as far as like lease deals on them. So if you check these out, you're talking for the MDX $600 a month with $5,000 down, doesn't include tax and license. So you're talking a payment in the mid to high sixes with $5,000 down. Before you could have had that in the fours. So definitely gone up, and then they put markups on vehicles and all that stuff. So what Honda and Acura are now offering, and like I said, this just came out, is now you can lease vehicles that are up to 6 years old. So they'll let you lease a vehicle, has to be a certified pre-owned vehicle, so it goes through their inspection and all that kind of stuff. But you can lower your payments by doing that if you're wanting one of these and you just can't swing these high payments. And then the interest rates are extremely high if you're financing it and you're not paying cash. It's a way to get your foot in the door. So their requirements are only that it can't be over 6 model years old. So right now, they're doing vehicles from 2018 to 2023 is what they'll cover. And they have to be certified pre-owned. So it goes through their inspection and they give you the added warranty on it. So it's not a bad thing, especially if you take like the TLX Type S, for example. Those cars, if you have the summer tire package, could hit $60,000, 61. So you know they depreciate the most in the first 3 years. So if you found a nice 2 or 3 year old one that someone, say, leased it originally, paying $900 a month for it, $1,000 a month for it originally, now you get it 3 years old, that vehicle, your payment could be $150 cheaper by doing that. Since they do hold their value, so the residual value is what it would still be a good amount, but then you're not paying that first 3 year depreciation. So it could substantially save you money on your monthly payment if you're looking at leasing a vehicle. You know, I think for some people it would be a benefit. Like I said, if you're not wanting to spend, you know, $700 to probably $1,000 a month on some of these vehicles, like a Type S MDX, a Type S TLX, even the new Integra Type S, those vehicles are expensive. So if someone buys that originally and they pay the depreciation, and then you come and you're leasing it after that fact, it might not be that bad, especially since Honda and Acura vehicles hold their value. So that'll benefit. So I wanted to share that with you guys. Like I said, it just came out 2 days ago. So now if you're wanting to get into something, even a Honda, say you want to get a Honda Accord and you don't want to pay $400 to lease the new Accord. Now you might be able to get it low $300 range, minimal down, same thing as before. It might have 15,000 miles, like low mileage. You know, you could definitely find a still in there to somebody like a lease return. So again, I think it will benefit some people, especially with the prices the way they are, and they don't seem like they're going to come down anytime soon. So if you're interested in leasing a Honda or Acura product, here's another way you can do it. If you don't want to finance it, you're just not sure what vehicle you want and pay high interest rates and all that kind of stuff, you know, this might be the route to go. Then you can make up your mind, lease it for a couple of years, decide if you love it, you can buy it, decide you don't like it, you can trade it back in. You know, it gives you some flexibility. So I just wanted to share that with you guys. I thought it was neat. that they're doing that. You know, it gives more people the opportunity to get a vehicle without paying an astronomical price for something too. And for the most part, Honda and Acura vehicles, they are reliable. You know, they have their issues, but I still do trust them in the long run that they make a solid product. So again, I just wanted to share that with you guys. Let me know what you guys' thoughts on that in the comment section below. I appreciate it. Hope everyone's having a great day out there, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Thanks again, everybody.